Hello and welcome back to ENG ENGINE. In this video, let us learn how to use infinitives to combine sentences. Infinitive. What is this infinitive? Infinitive is to plus verb. To plus verb is infinitive. So how do we combine a pair of sentences using infinitive, that is to plus verb? We have a few examples and I have discussed how to combine those sentences using infinitives. Kindly observe the video carefully. Let's get into the video. He went to Amritsar. He wanted to visit the Golden Temple. So we have a pair of sentences. That is, one sentence is here. This is the second sentence. We have to combine these two sentences with an infinitive. That is to plus verb. So we have to remove the unnecessary words. First, we have to remove the full stop and make this as a single sentence. So how can we write this? Let us check the answer. He went to Amritsar. So the first part of the sentence is taken as such. He wanted to visit the Golden Temple. So this part can be removed, and even if it is removed and if you write like this, it is understood. He went to Amritsar to visit the Golden Temple. So this is to plus verb, which is the infinitive. Next sentence. I speak the truth. I am not afraid of it. So I speak the truth. This is one sentence and I am not afraid of it. This is the other sentence. Let us check how to combine using infinitive. I am not afraid to speak the truth. So this to speak, this is the infinitive. Sometimes the second part of the sentence will be the beginning of the sentence and sometimes the first part of the sentence will be the beginning. So we have to check and do it so that we frame the sentence meaningfully. So the answer for this is I am not afraid to speak the truth. Now you can see the sentences are combined into one. Next example. He wants to earn his livelihood. He works hard for that reason. He works hard to earn his livelihood. So he works hard. The second part is coming here as the beginning of the sentence. Why he works hard? To earn his livelihood. So this is combined using to plus verb, that is the infinitive. Next example. The team leader had a meeting. They discussed all the terms and conditions. So we have two sentences. Let us check how to combine. The team leaders had a meeting. So the first part of the sentence is used as the beginning of the sentence here. Why they had a meeting? So they discussed. So this part can be changed as to discuss all the terms and conditions. And now the sentences are combined. The robber took the knife. He intended to frighten the old man. So the robber took the knife as one part. He intended to frighten the old man as the second part of the sentence. Now let us see how to combine. The robber took the knife to frighten the old man. So this to frighten is the infinitive. He intended is the extra part of the sentence when we combine, so this is removed. The robber took the knife to frighten the old man. Next sentence. Every cricket team has a captain. He directs the other players. Now again we have a pair. So let us check how to combine. Every cricket team has a captain. So this he directs changes to direct. To direct the other players. We have to check and combine the sentences meaningfully. As I said in the previous examples, the second part, that is in the two sentences, the second sentence may begin as the beginning of the sentence, or sometimes the first sentence will be the beginning of the sentence. It depends on how the pair gives the meaning. Next example. He has 5 children. He must provide for them. He has 5 children to provide. So he must provide for them is changed to provide. He has 5 children to provide. So this is the infinitive and the sentences are combined. Everyone should do his duty. India expects this of every man. How do we combine this? If we begin as everyone should do his duty, it will not be meaningful. So we can begin as India expects. Let us check. India expects every man to do his duty. That's it. So to do, this is the infinitive. The remaining part of the sentences are not necessary. So meaningfully that can be removed and combined. The last example. He did not have even a rupee with him. He could not buy a loaf of bread. Let us check the answer. He did not have even a rupee with him to buy a loaf of bread. So this to buy is the infinitive which is combining the two sentences. Now, in this video, we understood how to combine a pair of sentences using to plus verb, that is the infinitive. I hope you're clear with the topic. If you are not clear, kindly watch the video again. If you find this video helpful, kindly give a thumbs up and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.